Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have your device in. In my case it will be English, and then tap on next once you mark the language. Now you can select the region, let me choose US, and then click on continue. Now you can connect to your network, to your Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step, but it will allow us to log in with our Google account, so I will pick HardReset, which is my Wi-Fi. And as only it's connected, tap on next. And here you have to read all terms of usage, so let's read user agreement and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions and terms, you tap on continue. And then just confirm that you have read and understood the user agreement and privacy policy by tapping on agree. Now you can join user experiments program, but I will skip it for now. You can also activate upload error log data if you want to, but I will disagree as well. It's up to you, whichever option you prefer, like just pick it. Now you can copy data from your Google account, but I will skip it as well, as I would like to set it as a brand new one. And now you can log in with your Google account if you want to. You can also skip this step, but I really recommend it. So let me enter my Google account. It's HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com. And then tap on next. And now let me enter the password. And once it's entered, tap on next. And here you've got all the terms of service, Google Play and also Google, and then privacy policy, so you should come along with them, and if you do agree with all the above conditions, tap on I agree. And as you can see, here you've got Google services. You can unmark some of them if you would like to deactivate them, but I would like to stay with all of them, and then just click on accept. Then select continue. You can agree or not, whichever you would like to apply. So here you can learn your Google Assistant, your voice, so let me skip it. And now you can add fingerprint, face unlock or the password, but you can also do it later. Just enter our different tutorials, so let me skip it for now, and we will set it up later, and then tap on continue. Now you can activate auto update overnight, or you can deactivate it, it's up to you, but I will stay with it. It's truly useful, you don't have to remember about it. And now you can also import data from your previous phone, or you can set this new REALME as a fresh one, and just click on start, and you will be able to use your phone as usually. So this is it. Now you can customize it, you can change the wallpaper, add some contacts, just do whatever you want to with this phone. Enjoy the usage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.